How to turn on your page post notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on your page post notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find this storylines in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find pages. Click on it and select your page, and here just scroll down. Here you will find any post you want and click these 3 points here, these 3 points, and then just click, you will find it like that, and then just click turn on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.